Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. So let's see what we're doing for today. Make sure you fill in your daily attendance. I'm going to start getting more strict about attendance, so you have to make sure you fill that out every day and every period that you have me, including labs. We're going to scroll down to this week's folder. I've moved it to the top and I moved the older folders down. So we are in 921 to 925. And today is Monday. We're doing a Google Meet, daily attendance form that you have to submit, bell ringer. We're doing an activity about, is a candle alive? You're going to watch an Edpuzzle video and answer questions. We're going to talk about viruses a little bit. And then you've got a small homework assignment right within Schoology. So let's take a look. You have your bell ringer as usual. Is a candle alive? So this is a Google slide. It's a warm-up activity before we learn about the characteristics of living things. You'll be answering the ultimate question, is the candle alive? You're going to put your answers in the squares in numerical order. You can use your textbook, pages 8 to 13, to help you. It's in the beginning part of the textbook. Do not make a copy of this document. Just open the tab up here on your version. It says My Document. You're just going to open that, answer the question, and then click Submit when you're done. I'm going to open it from here just because that's how my version works. And this is what it looks like. So we're looking at this candle here. And I want you to write down in box 1, what do you think? Is it alive? Tell me about your reasons why or why not. And then in square 2, I want you to write down any characteristics of living things that you can think of. And then number 3, this is where you're going to go to your textbook and kind of read through the section about living things and write down some observations there. And then your final answer is going to answer the same question, is the candle alive? But now you got information and research to back up your answer. And then you'll click Submit when you're done with that. Going back to Monday, you're going to watch the Edpuzzle video about characteristics of living things and answer the questions. And then for Is a Virus Alive? You've got a choice between either an article or a video to help you out with this. You'll be answering this ultimate question, is a virus alive? This is something that's debated in the scientific community. You're going to put your answers in the squares. It's the same setup as the candle one. You're going to do it in numerical order. And you can select either the article or the video. You can use both. That's up to you. Again, don't make a copy of the document. Just click on My Document up at the top. And then when you're done, you're going to submit. So just to see what this sheet looks like, pretty much exactly the same. Okay, so before you know any research about viruses, I want you to answer, do you think it's alive? Why or why not? And then you're going to write down the characteristics of living things that you know that we've learned about today. And then the evidence from your research. This is when you're going to either read the article or watch the video. And this is where you're going to record your evidence about viruses. And then you're going to answer the question again, do you think it's alive? And definitely give me some supporting details. And then you have a really short quiz. I believe it's only 5 questions, just as like a homework. It's not a quiz, it's a homework. Just a few questions about the characteristics of living things. And you're done for today.